Want to save time and money? Try preparing dishes with a slow cooker. This appliance uses less electricity than an oven and is ideal for cooking less expensive, less tender cuts of meat. Or try preparing homemade soups, stews, casseroles, or desserts in the slow cooker. When you make more meals at home instead of buying ready-to-eat meals, you will save your family money. With a little planning and preparation in the morning, you can have a delicious meal waiting for you at the end of a busy day. Today, I'm going to show you how to make 3-bean vegetarian chili. This delicious dish is a good source of fiber and iron and is really easy to make. Let's take a look at the ingredients that you will need. First, you'll need 2 cans of black beans, rinsed and drained, 2 cans of diced tomatoes, undrained, 1 can of pinto beans, rinsed and drained, 1 can of kidney beans, rinsed and drained, and 1 can of vegetable broth. For the beans, if you'd rather use homemade beans than canned beans, then use 2 cups of cooked beans for every 1 can of beans in this recipe. The other vegetables that I will add are 1 onion chopped and 2 jalapeno peppers seeded and chopped. If you prefer a spicier chili, then you can keep the seeds in the dish. The spices that I will add are 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, and 2 garlic cloves minced. Lastly, you'll want to add some toppings to your chili when it's done. You will need half a cup of reduced fat sour cream, half a cup of shredded jack cheese, and a 1/4 cup of chopped fresh cilantro. To make the chili, combine all the ingredients in the slow cooker except for the sour cream, cheese, and cilantro. We'll use those later. Stir to combine the ingredients. Cover the slow cooker and turn it on. If you have a manual slow cooker, just make sure the knob is on low. Today, I'm using a digital slow cooker. First, I'm going to set my temperature on low, and then I'm going to set the timer to 8 hours. That's it. Just wait 8 hours and enjoy this hearty dish. To serve, ladle the chili into bowls. Then top with sour cream, shredded cheese, and chopped cilantro. Or use whatever toppings you and your family like. 3-bean vegetarian chili cooked in a slow cooker. It's easy, it's healthy, and most of all, it's delicious.